Okay, I don't know why I'm doing this, but she just ate. So she looks like she's pregnant if you guys want to see her. Oh. Come on, baby. You're not going inside. You're going outside to go poo-poo. Okay. You can run a little bit to get some exercise. She's just going for that stairs. Ooh, you okay, Mama? She's about to poo-poo. Oh, y'all can't see that. Look at that beautiful sun view. Let's go look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, no, baby, no. It's okay. Take the doodle out. Oh, baby, you got on your hair. Hold up, baby. Hold up. Got it on your hair, baby. Hold up. Ew, baby. No. She got doodle. Alright, she used a lot of doodle. She's probably gonna use more doodle later, but she should take it out. She should get full enough. Come on. Yeah. No.
Necesitas ver si the worm shots. You got the shots?
Ya se verá que ya le agarraron su shot de la worm.
De ella sí.
A ver si la mía que está rascando su colilla así como si la rascas.
No, esta vez gets big.
Yeah.
Oh, no, está conmigo.
Yeah, she had it on.
No te la sacó a los cata.
Así, hace un poquito de caca, pero va a ser ahorita. Va a ser ahorita. Ya hace caquita, pero va a ser otra vez.
Cierra la puerta. Te sácala afuera. Si todavía no hace bien, déjala afuera un ratito.
¿Pero qué pasó de los peritos?
Porque sí que ven que estaban afuera.
I have not seen the little puppies. Ay. Oh, wait, I don't want to step on doodoo. Okay, if the puppy runs, hey. Oh no, son. Come on. So I'm gonna zoom it out because I'm getting cold in here, y'all. This is about to use it again.
Ahí está un ratito con ella, a ver si seca, que si no hace, pues ya la metes.
I'm fixing myself after a while. Because I'm vlogging with the phone. This is better. Not better, but I'm gonna try to zoom her. Oh, this is. Oh, where'd she go? Oh, that'll be out. Let me zoom it out. How do we zoom this out? You speak me? This is too. I'm gonna go where's the grass. Come on, baby. Canela? She is eating grass. Girl, you cannot be eating grass, honey. You cannot be eating grass. You're gonna go where there's no leaves because all of this place is full of leaves. I know it's full of leaves. Come on, love. Take her for a little bit walk. Come on, baby. Okay. Come on, love. There's grass here. This is your little grass area, okay? And front where it's this is fake grass. But yeah, it's just glued on grass. Because we don't have no grass here and we're gonna have grass. So remember, just try by them. my love. Come on, precious. So she's walking because I'm taking her for a little bit walk down here. Ooh. I'm gonna see the goats. Oh, we have the chickens over there. Ooh, the chickens are right over there. Come on, love. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, baby. Oh, she's fine. Hey, don't scare me. Oh, where'd you go? Come on. Oh, she's getting scared. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's not scary. I got you, okay? I got you. Don't be scared. That's your auntie,
Mom,
okay?
stop.
That's your auntie.
Roxy.
That's your auntie. You're getting cold? Oh, baby's getting cold.
No. No.
There has to be 5 of them. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Great. Can I enter?
Huh?
Can I enter? Okay. No.
Let her smell it. She gotta know how to.
What you smell, they're gonna be fine when they grow up. Don't put them too close. That's what I smell. If you see her start growling, take it away.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Mhm. Smell her. My baby's getting cold. So, hold up, you guys. She's cool. Hello, is this warming? It's very cold out here. Yes, I live in Greensboro. But I'm not telling you guys my address. Because probably you guys will have internet like this. Oh, honey, you are not gonna like that. It's okay, love. You're getting warm. Okay, so I'm gonna stop vlogging because I have to warm her up, okay, guys? So thank you for watching my vlog.